Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Today I'm going to be sharing three high potential fantastic tokens, in my opinion, that you can purchase for under 50 cents. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Now guys, in the past, a lot of people have not been able to participate in investing because it was very expensive. When you have to pay $5, $10, $100 per share of something, that can be discouraging to people. So here's the opportunity of a lifetime with crypto. You can purchase one token for under 50 cents. And these tokens are going to be the technology of the future. This is a once in a chance opportunity, a once in a lifetime opportunity. And I hope that you all are educating yourself, finding you some good projects, doing your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor, but I bring you really good information. Here's what I don't want you to do. Don't wait until the market goes up and then decide to purchase. For some reason, human nature makes us buy things when they go up in price. You've got to become a disciplined investor. Think about your future. Don't you want to have wealth? Don't you want to have a large sum of money? Don't you want to increase your financial situation and improve your financial situation? If you do, if you have the discipline and if you have the courage to become a millionaire, 100,000-aire, whatever your financial goals are, purchase crypto when it's low. Purchase it when it's a down market. Purchase it when it's just going up a little bit and down. This is when people accumulate, and then when the market takes off, they make a lot of money. Millionaires have done it over and over and over again. When the housing market crashes, guess what? They buy all the houses. When the stock market crashes, investors buy the best projects. So when crypto is down, this is your opportunity to buy into these projects extremely cheap. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be talking about three different tokens today. Cronos used to be Crypto.com, and they're rebranding themselves under the name of Cronos, Hedera, and WaxP. And those are three projects I'm going to be talking to you all about today. All right, let's first talk about Cronos. And I told you that used to be Crypto.com. It's by market cap, according to CoinGecko, it ranks 118. The symbol is CRO. Right now, you can purchase it for about 41 cents. 41 cents for one token. Let me tell you the beautiful things about Cronos. The total supply is only 30 billion. The circulating supply is 25 billion. They've already gotten rid of some of their tokens, and they may get rid of some more. It's a layer 1 blockchain. They have a lot of activity, a lot of purpose, a lot of use on their blockchain. They're bringing GameFi. They're structuring themselves for the metaverse to run on top of their blockchain. They have a DeFi wallet, and on top of that, they have over 200 tokens you can buy on their exchange. They have a fantastic Visa debit card program. I probably earn every month, just making the regular transactions and purchases that I make, I earn between $300 and $500 every month, free money. They have a fantastic Visa debit card program. They're the sponsor of the Lakers Arena out in California. Remember, it used to be called the Staples Arena. Well, now it's called the Crypto.com Arena. And in addition to that, they have sponsored a lot of other sports teams. So they're doing great there. They have Crypto Earn. You can earn a ton of rewards on their chain for a lot of other tokens. That's another opportunity. And you can purchase this token on Crypto.com or Coinbase. So those are some really good things about Crypto.com. And like I said, right now, depending on the day this posts, you can get it for about 39 to 41 cents, which is awesome. The second token, let's talk about Hedera. Hedera is ranked number 32 by market cap on CoinGecko. The symbol is HBAR. Now, this is a very unique project. This is not a blockchain. They use a different kind of a technology called hash graph. Now, they right now they're going for about 21 cents. This is a great project. I like it. I'm doing a lot of. I haven't bought it yet, but I'm really looking into possibly picking up some of this HBAR. I'm going to give you one reservation that I have about the project, but it's not a blockchain. They actually have a public ledger, and what they do, they have about 39 nodes. And with these nodes are like, just consider them to be independent computer stations, and they're located throughout the world. On these nodes, what they do, when their information is posted to the public ledger, it is posted on all of their nodes, and they have something called when you talk about one thing and you just share information and you need to pass it on to another one. Okay, I forgot for a second, gossip. They have something called a gossip to gossip protocol. So what happens is when information is shared on one node, it is gossiped and is shared to another node and another node. So it's not a blockchain. It's a public ledger that's shared on all of their nodes. The good thing about this particular project, it is carbon neutral, which is going to be a big thing of the future. So it's a very carbon neutral project. Also, in their roadmap, they've got 4 focus areas. They're going to devote $500 million to they have an investment crypto fund, a metaverse fund, a carbon neutral project, and a fintech fund. That's really good. They also have a lot of institutional adoption, which means that some of the big investors are interested in this project and investing. Right now, you can buy this project on crypto.com and Binance US. I like it. I haven't bought it yet. The only thing that I don't like about it, their total token supply is 50 billion. And their circulating supply is 19 billion. And 50 billion tokens, what that means is it might be inflationary, or there's going to take a large amount of investments to be able to move this token to higher prices. So I tend to look at the total supply of a token because that is going to determine what the future price could be. So that's HBAR Hedera, but I do like the project. Number 3, last but not least, is WaxP. This is a very unique blockchain, and a lot of people haven't heard of this one. And it's WaxP. WaxP is the symbol. I don't know why this token is so cheap. Right now, it's going for about 29 cents. And WAX stands for the World Asset Exchange. The total supply is about 3.8 billion. The circulating supply is 2 billion, which is good. So I like those numbers. This blockchain has over 60 million NFTs, video games, and collectibles. It's also known as the king of NFTs. I don't think there's any other chain that has more NFT transactions than WaxP. It's kind of a best kept secret if you ask me. They also have over 12 million user accounts, 23 million daily transactions on this chain, 23 million. So there's a lot of activity and a lot of use case for this. Also, over 30,000 dApps run on this chain. You can earn rewards in ETH and their WaxG. They have a governance token, so those are good things as well. Also, another thing that's impressive about this project, they have an advisory council. Some of the members come from Atari, Microsoft, Google, Marvel, and Animoca brands. That's also impressive as well, that they're getting good guidance from people who work at these extraordinary companies. And finally, one reason I think it'll go up, they have potential to be listed in the future. In the future, they should be on Coinbase, Gemini, Binance.us, because right now you can only buy this token on crypto.com. Now, you can also buy it on DEXs. You can buy it on DEXs, okay? Now, let me tell you all this about these 3 projects. One of the reasons that I think these projects have a lot of potential, I think CRO Cronos has the potential to get to at least $2 to $3 by the end of 2022. I think HBAR, maybe 75 cents, maybe 80 cents because of the token, the number of tokens that they have. I just don't see HBAR getting over $1. I don't know, maybe. And then I see WaxP. Now I see Wax easily getting to $2 to $3 by the end of 22. Now, these are three very high potential projects that I hope you all do some more research. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. They are three projects. I do own Wax. I own WaxP, and I also own a lot of CRO because I have the CRO Visa debit card. I do have the Jade card. Look at my video. I talked about how to earn free crypto, and you'll see the Jade card and how you can get it as well. They've got different levels of cards you can buy, but Cronos is a phenomenal chain with a lot of perks and a lot of opportunities to make a lot of extra money. So remember, I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Please don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. My name is Ida, your crypto teacher. I'm out.